Namaste. Let's study the anatomy and layers of the eyeball. To begin with the basics, the shape of the eyeball is oblate spheroid. It is aspherical. It has a volume of 6 milliliters. The site is the orbit and the anteroposterior diameter is 24 mm. The layers are divided into outermost, middle, and innermost layers. Looking at the outermost structures first, the anterior 1/6 is the cornea. Cornea is a convex-shaped, transparent structure. Cornea, along with the lens, has a refractive power. The posterior 5/6 is the sclera. Sclera is opaque white and covered with a transparent mucous membrane known as the conjunctiva. This is the corneoscleral junction known as the limbus. So, the outermost layer has cornea anteriorly, limbus is the junction, and sclera posteriorly. The middle layer is known as uvea or the uveal tract. Uveal tract has iris, ciliary body. Ciliary body has pars plicata, it is pleated, and pars plana. And posteriorly, it has the choroid. So, the middle layer is the uveal tract or uvea, which has iris. It is a pigmented structure. Then the ciliary body, which has pars plana and pars plicata. And posteriorly the choroid. The middle layer, that is uvea, is a vascular layer. The innermost layer is the retina. This is the retina. Retina is present only posteriorly and it is a neurosensory layer. So these are the three layers of the eyeball. Let's label the eyeball again. So the outermost layers first. This is the cornea, the limbus, and the sclera. Next is the uveal tract, which is the vascular layer. This has iris, the ciliary body, which has two components, pars plicata and pars plana. And the posterior component we have here is the choroid. And in the inner layer, we have retina. Let's look at some more structures which are not part of the layers as such. So we have the pupil here, the crystalline lens, and the ciliary zonules. We have two humors of the eye, the aqueous humor and the vitreous humor. Aqueous has the word aqua. Aqua means watery, so it has a watery consistency. And vitreous means glass, so it has a glass-like, jelly-like consistency. The part from cornea to the lens is anterior segment. Anterior segment consists of aqueous humor, and the part from lens to the retina is the posterior segment, which has the vitreous. Vitreous humor has 1% hyaluronic acid and it has a gel-like consistency. The anterior segment is further divided into anterior chamber and posterior chamber. The part in front of the iris is the anterior chamber and the part behind the iris is the posterior chamber. Thank you and please subscribe if you want me to make more anatomy videos.